For today's travel vlog, let's explore La Union. Time of the year na naman na mag-outing kaming mga office mates ko. So here, pababa na kami tapos ng shift namin and naghihintay na lang kami para sa van na magsusundo sa amin and dadalhin kami sa La Union. La Union is known for one of the best surfing spots in the Philippines. Kaya pumunta kami doon to swim and to try surfing. After a few hours of travel, nakarating na din kami and ang first stop is ang Baluarte. But before that guys, kakain muna kami ng breakfast and here we decided na kumain dito. May restaurants kasi dito sa Baluarte. So dito kami sa Steak to Juan. And meron silang mga breakfast meals dito. May Pinoy meal and American meal. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yan, sarap ng breakfast nila, guys. Steak. Breakfast steak agad. Yan. Ito yung mga Americans. Ayan. First stop is ang Baluarte. So, it is a 400-year-old watchtower facing the West Philippine Sea, built during the Spanish period. So, tumulong ito para ma-locate or makita agad kung may aatake sa part ng La Union na to. And sadly, hindi na siya ganun kabuo. So ito na lang yung natira sa kanya.
Kaway po, kaway.
Next stop is ang simbahan ng Santa Catalina. So, okay na stop to para sa mga nag-church hopping. Guys, picture muna daw. Dito sa pinto, sa entrance.
Kaway-kaway muna kayo.
Hi! Ang third stop namin is ang Bahay na Bato. So, from the name itself, Bahay na Bato, it is made of stones and pebbles because Luna, the municipality, is the pebble capital of the north. Kaya kung makikita nyo dito, ang floor is walang lupa. Pure pebbles. Actually, ang hirap maglakad. Buti na lang may stepping stones. Tapos, I will show you doon sa part ng dagat, walang sand, puro pebbles talaga. In this place, hindi lang yung Bahay na Bato ang makikita nyo, kundi napakaraming artworks. Like stone artworks, woodworks, and also they have a museum here kung saan makikita nyo yung mga materials and yung mga gamit nung unang panahon. Meron din silang mga gamit from the war. So makikita nyo yun dito. I will also show it to you later. If you find this place comforting, pwede po kayo mag-check-in dito. Meron silang mga cabins. Ito, sample. Parang check-in siya. Dining, coffee shop, main house. Baka. Ito, may tubig kaya ito. Ay, wala. Walang tubig. Bato. Upon entering the house, this is what you will see. A long table and also the flooring is made of pebbles. Kaya mahirap paglakad sa loob, walang stepping stone, puro pebbles yan. And here, napakaraming artworks dito sa ground floor and also may second floor pa siya kung saan kitang-kita mo ang dagat.
Siguro malamig dito pag gabi.
I think so.
Yun ko sa ice cream gem. Lalabas yan sa vlog, sige.
Uy, okay lang.
Uy! Uy, gagi, pool.
Mayroon pala. Mukhang kasama yan kasi dun lusot to. Jacuzzi.
Ano kami? Hi!
Videoan mo daw siya. Maganda sa loob. This is the museum that I told you about. So, pagpasok mo pa lang, madami ng artworks na makikita dito. And I also researched that the wooden sculptures and the stoneworks are made by a Korean artist named Bong Kim. So, kaya madami dito. And also, hindi lang yun, pati yung mga collections dito ng stuffs from old times and war times. Makikita nyo dito. After this, our next stop is the man-made forest. So, sa highway lang siya, on the way doon sa transient natin sa San Juan. And this is our group photo and also jump shot. And finally, the most awaited part, the beach. So we've arrived, guys. It is now lunchtime and naghanap-hanap muna kami dito kung saan kami pwedeng kumain. And it was recommended to us now to try merienda kasi bestseller daw ang kanilang crispy kare-kare. So we are now going there.
May narinig. Wala pa lang.
Ay, hindi sila. Hi there, dyan na.
For the vlog. After eating lunch, we headed back to the beach para mag-relax, to swim, and to drink na din ng konting-konti lang kasi mamayang gabi pa natin ita-try yung party sa La Union. Unfortunately, hindi ko na-try mag-surfing kasi ang pricey. For me, ang pricey ng surfing lessons.
May wave. Ayan, may wave. 1, 2, 3. Nandun sila sa malayo. Ayan sila sa malayo. Hi guys, food trip. Dito na po ang party. Dito na nag-party.
For dinner, nagkabsat kami guys kaso ang haba ng pila, but thank you to Kuya Wu. Hi guys! We're ordering our food na. Ayan, busy sila mag-order ng food. And ang dami na nilang in-order guys. For the bill reveal, ito na ang bill naming lahat. Thank you kay Sir Dex, yung manager namin. Siya po ang nagbayad ng bill namin for tonight. And eto, mga ngiting busog. Thank you Sir Dex. This is around 12 midnight, so pumunta kami sa Bethlehem. Wow, very holy ang name. Pero party place siya guys. So dun pumunta kami sa dulo, hindi kami sa harap. Papasok kayo dyan. Ayan, yung entrance na yan. Pagkapasok nyo dyan, bababa pa kayo. Doon sa baba, doon kami nag-party guys. And grabe, ang saya ng people, ang saya ng music. Hindi ka talaga maboboard. Ayan, kitang-kita nyo naman sobrang saya namin dito guys. And also kailangan ko voice over dito kasi baka makopyright tayo dahil sa mga musics. And eto, medyo nagpahinga muna kami ng slight and then uminom. For the next morning, pagkagising, ang pinuntahan naman namin next is the Macho Temple. This temple is dedicated to the sea goddess Mazu. So, according to the legend, kaya naging goddess si Mazu because niligtas niya yung mga nanganganib ang buhay sa gitna ng dagat. And I also saw this turtle. Ang cute, so cute. So, for our lunch, we headed to Halo Halo di Iloco kasi Ito yung recommended sa amin to try. Na-feature na siya sa maraming magazines, newspapers, and blogs. So, don't be fooled by the name Halo Halo de Iloco. Hindi lang desserts ang meron dito. They also have more food that you can try, and it is made with a twist. So, here you will also see some antiques kasi this is an ancestral home converted into a restaurant. So they also have souvenirs where you can buy pasalubong and also food. This is what we ordered, mixed seafoods and I think some meat and also chicken pandan. And don't forget the halo-halo itself. So, ito, ang ganda ng itsura niya, guys. Talagang magugutom ka. And for our last stop, dito tayo sa Grapes Farm.
Ito daw.
Baso dyan.
Iba-iba po ito?
Oo, ma'am.
Iba-iba pong flavor?
Ibang flavor, ma'am. Grapes yan yung...
So, here may free taste ng iba't ibang grape juices and also grapes picking. So, ayan, eto ako guys. Ang dami kong kinuha. And that's the end of our trip. Hinatid din kami pabalik sa office and ito, nag-dinner ako sa Old Town. Thank you guys! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share! Bye-bye!